Hello everyone, welcome to new episode on our channel. It is an honor for us to be here again letting everyone know the best information related to digital business, digital marketing, e-commerce dropshipping, affiliate marketing and everything. Whatever has to do with entrepreneurs in the digital age. If this is the first time you see one of these videos, please subscribe and activate the notification bell. On this occasion, we are excited to present to you the 3 factors that make the success of an online store. Make yourself comfortable and enjoy the video. We assure you that the following information will be very useful if you are in the world of e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or any other online venture. Here we go. The success of your e-commerce and the strategy you implement is not just about publishing only products online and hoping that they will automatically sell. The success or failure of an online store is influenced by many factors, some more intuitive than others. In the online environment, there are many competitors, and the trends are changing according to the buying habits of customers. Before continuing, let us give you a special mention. This channel is sponsored by Fiverr. Fiverr is the #1 web platform for freelancers in the world. Here, just by putting in the search box, you will have at your disposal hundreds of experts from all over the world in topics such as online store configuration, web page design, editing and video optimization, or the topic you can think of in the service you need. Do you need any service related to artificial intelligence, such as GPT chat for customer service or content creation based on artificial intelligence? Go to Fiverr. From $5 and up, you can find someone to help you with that. We mean it when we say that it is one of the best tools you will ever have. In the description of this video, you will find the link to access Fiverr. Now let's continue. In 10 years, electronic commerce in Spain has gone from representing 0.7% to 7.4% of all sales made in the country. If your store is not selling, you are surely failing in one of these 3 factors, despite the fact that 7 out of 10 online stores close before they are 1 year old. However, there are companies like RetroTimes that have managed to stay afloat thanks to fulfilling these concepts. Factor number 1: visibility. If we want our online store to be successful, the first thing we have to do is find us, right? If they don't know we exist, how are we going to survive? This is where 2 denominations with which you have to become familiar to have visibility on the internet come into place. The first will help you appear in the first search options. But at what price? Something that Google highly values when positioning a website is the use of keywords. So will help improve the visibility of your brand and attract customers, as long as it is done correctly. On the other hand, there is the paid marketing strategy. With it, you will increase the quality traffic of your e-commerce. In addition, you will have in your hand control of the budget used to publicize the site. Factor number 2: price. Perhaps it is the most important factor. Is that amount really worth what you sell? Just because of the price, the customer has the power to decide whether to buy from you or from your competition. In less than a minute, a user can find the same product on different websites. Therefore, it is important to add value to what you are selling. Look for small details that make a difference. Do not fall into the trap that the more discounts you put, the more you will sell. The important thing is to find the right moment. Take advantage of specific dates: Christmas, Black Friday, sales, etc. Factor number 3: trust. It came the moment of truth. If the user has felt confidence in your product, he will buy it. If not, they will leave your website empty-handed. Cart. Why do we go to physical stores to buy? For having the product in person, because we see it as it is. But an online store can also get that feeling as making an excellent description of the product. In e-commerce, there are some influences that activate trust in users. The conditions of return of the product are very important. If the user sees that to return the product, they have to solve a puzzle, they will not trust you. Having positive assessments of your business and what you sell is essential to build trust with other customers. Therefore, there must be reviews in the product sheets. Customer service during the sale and after sales has to be excellent. In short, do not abandon the client during the moment of purchase and do not release it to the lions. Not finding information and not feeling accompanied during the process generates distrust. A priori, it seems easy to have an online store, but remember that it's not as easy as listing a product and waiting for it to sell itself. Setting up any commerce entails a job to get it going. It seems impossible, but it is not. Do not let it happen that your business is part of that 70% of e-commerce that close each year. And that's all for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. We remind you that you need a professional online store for dropshipping, made on any platform with a high capacity to generate conversions. You can enter Fiverr in the description link. In Fiverr, you will find the right freelancer to help you with your online at very comfortable prices. We hope this information has been very useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. See you in a next video. Bye.